Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for Monday, that is for the 7th August. So this is the Nifty weekly chart. Okay. So here we can see that the Nifty has broken the last week's low. That is the previous week low. This is the previous week low. When we put the horizontal line below the previous week's low, we can see that Nifty has broken this previous week low and had taken support at this 10th July's week. Okay, and also when we try to draw the Fibonacci from the swing low to swing high, we can see that Nifty has reached the 0.236 level, that is 19,244. Okay. So once this level, that is 19,244 is taken away, then what will be the next level in the weekly chart? That will be the 18,780 level. Okay. So we can see in the coming week whether this 19,244 is protected. If this level is taken away, we can see that there is a fall till 18,780 in the weekly time frame. Okay. This is the daily time frame chart of Nifty. Here we can see that the Nifty is facing resistance at the 20 EMA. So this EMA is the 20 EMA. Also it is the previous day high. The previous day high is, we can put a horizontal ray above this previous day high. The high of this red candle is 19,537. So if Nifty is able to break this previous day high, that is giving a close above this 20 EMA, then what will be the next resistance for Nifty? We can see that. We can see that here. When we put a horizontal ray, we can see that this is the next level. Why this level is very crucial? Because we can see that the multiple times Nifty is taking support from this particular level here. That is on 17th July. Also on 28th July. So next resistance level will be 19,565. Okay. Okay. After that, we can see that where Nifty has taken support. We can see here this is the major support for Nifty, that is the 14th July low. Exactly, Nifty has taken support on Friday, that particular level. Okay, so if this low is taken, then we can see that the next support for Nifty is here, that is the low of 13th July, that is 19,382. This is the 1 hour time frame chart of Nifty. So what we are going to do is, we are going to draw the trend line from the high to low. So we can see that if the high, that is the high we have drawn in the daily time frame chart, the resistance is 19,565. Here we have drawn, right? So if this 19,563 is taken away, then what will be the next level for Nifty? That is this level, that is 19,680. Okay. So this is the analysis in the 1 hour time frame chart. Now we can see the intraday levels for Nifty. Okay. So here the levels which marked in black, this black is the major level for Nifty, that is 19,500. So this is the key level for Nifty. So if Nifty is giving a breakout above 19,500, then the next resistance level for Nifty is 19,534, that is R1. Okay. After that, if Nifty is giving a breakout above that, if Nifty is able to sustain above the 19,534, the next resistance is 19,566. Okay. After that, the next resistance is 19,602. Okay. So Nifty, so this is the previous day high also, that is 4th August high. This I have shown in the daily chart also. Okay. Also, we can see this high is, this resistance level is the resistance level for 3rd August as well. All right. After that, the next resistance we can see here. Why this is a crucial level, that is 19,566, because 28th July Nifty has taken multiple times support from this level. Okay, so that's why this level is very crucial. That is the major resistance zones for Nifty. So if Nifty is giving a breakdown below 90,500, the levels which I have marked in green, these are the support zones. All right. So the first support for Nifty is 90,475. And we can see that 3rd August that there is a fall in the Nifty from this particular level, that is 90,475. From there we can see that Nifty has given a downfall till 90,300. Alright. So if Nifty is giving a breakdown below 90,500, Nifty can take support at 19,475. After that, the next support will be here. That is the 4th August support. That is 19,440. After that, the next support will be 19,405. Then 19,372. So those who are doing intraday trading, they can note down these levels. So these are the major resistance and support levels for Nifty. Now we can see the Bank Nifty weekly time frame analysis. So we can see the all-time high of Bank Nifty, that is 46,390. So that is the all-time high of Bank Nifty. Okay. So this is the previous week red candle. So when we put a horizontal ray below the previous week low, the previous week low is 46, that is 45,238. So we can see that when the particular level, this support level is taken away, we can see that there is a fall in the Bank Nifty. So where the Bank Nifty can take an immediate support, so we can see the immediate support for Bank Nifty is here. Why this level is crucial? Because we can see that multiple times Bank Nifty is facing resistance at that particular level. So exactly at that particular level, the Bank Nifty has taken support. Okay. So now we can see the major support and resistance levels for Bank Nifty for intraday levels. Okay. So here the levels which marked in green, these are the support zones and the red are the resistance zones. Okay. So 44,688 is a major support for Bank Nifty. So if we are seeing any green candle, or if we are Bank Nifty is able to sustain above 44,688, the next resistance zone is 44,890. So here we can see that 44,880. Okay. Why 44,880? Because that is the major resistance in the lower time frame. Okay. So for intraday traders, also Bank Nifty is taking support from this particular level, and also this is a resistance zone. Okay. After that, the next resistance zone will be the 44,975. Okay. Why this levels is major level? Because multiple times if the price is taking support or resistance from that particular level, that will be acting as the major levels, that is major support and resistance levels. The next resistance is 45,081. After that, 45,170. These are the resistance levels. Support zones is 44,688 and the next support zone is 44,487. Okay. After that, the last support, that is 44,306. Okay. So those who are doing intraday trading can make use of these levels. So when we look into the 15 minutes time frame, we can see in the Bank Nifty that there is an inverted head and shoulder pattern is forming. Okay. So when we are drawing like this, so this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so we can see how this support and resistance level is behaving in the coming week. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.